This video will show you how to assemble the vanity cabinet. First, unwrap the package and lay down the parts on a flat and clean surface. Second, drill the expansion bolts, the one with screw thread, into the hole of the side panels. Third, knot the wood tip into the hole of the side panels by hammer. Next, assemble the bottom and top panel. Put the strip on the corners and insert the back and side panel. Add the toe kick. Next, install the drawer slider and secure it to the body. Next, fix the drawer fitting, drawer rail and drawer panel together. Next, fix the hinges to the door panel and connect it to the body. Finally, your vanity cabinet is now finished.